Hi, welcome back to Adventures with Josh. I'm Josh. Come on in. Today, we are at the Waldorf Astoria in Costa Rica. It opened about 1 month ago. We are in room 351. This is building number 3 on the 5th floor, and we are room number 1. We have a uh, ocean view, 1 bedroom suite with plunge pool. This is one of the top tier room that you can get, and we were lucky to be upgraded to this room. And we are paying absolutely $0 for this room. We are using all points. It was 120 points per night, plus 1 night free night certificate, and plus 5 nights get one free. So 6 nights, and we're basically using points and rewards for only for those nights. Come on in. As you enter this beautiful living room over here. You have a very nice wooden table with 8 chairs, fresh orchid over here, stylish light. You have another sitting area over here, very, very big screen television. And then if we make our way over here, we actually have 2 patios over here. So this over here overlooks the ocean. We have all the pools down over there. And over here is a tub. So they also have 1 bedroom suites here as well that overlook the ocean, but only have the tub. But we have another patio that I will show you over here. And all the furniture here is in excellent condition. Like I said, the hotel is only 1 month old, so only a few guests probably have stayed in the room, but it's all in very good condition. When we got here, we checked in. They gave us a nice cool towel that smelled great. They gave us a dragon fruit juice drink, and then they took us here in the buggy to the room, gave us a tour of the complex as well. And you have a personal concierge here as well when you do come to the hotel, so they can book reservations for you and anything else that you might need. And over here, this is patio number 2, and we have a plunge pool over here. Temperature is pretty warm. All the pools here, they did say are salt water. So that is good to know. They don't use chlorine. It's all salt water. There's an outdoor shower over here. 2 chairs. They have towels waiting for you when you come out of your own personal plunge pool. And you can actually see the sunset over here. If you looks like we might have missed it, but the sun does set on this side. And parking at the hotel was complimentary. It is valet, but it's complimentary. And then if we make our way over here, there is a half bath in here. Light turns on automatically. Super stylish half bath. And then over here, this is the bedroom working area, another seating area over here. So lots of nooks and crannies in the room where you can comfortably sit and rest and relax. You have your working desk over here, and you can look at the ocean while you're doing your work. We have a king bed over here, another sitting area here. This is our honeymoon, so they were so gracious and they gave us a bottle of Golden Rush liqueur, which is a product of Costa Rica, so it's nice that it's local. And we also have some truffles over here, some plantains, and this looks like it's probably a bean dip. And they did give us a card and wrote Mr. Sahar, Mr. Leitner, which is much appreciated because some hotels don't always do that. So that is very nice. Over here is the mini bar. Water is complimentary here. There is a coffee maker and tea. So yeah, the coffee pods here. and then selection of teas. And over here is a bunch of alcohol, other bottled water, sodas. It's not complimentary. I asked. There's no price list here, so I don't know how much it is, but it's not complimentary. So I assume the price list is probably supposed to be here, but it's not. There's some other snacks over here, and these are probably typical resort room prices. I would predict, but they're there if you get hungry at midnight. And if you make our way over here, I'll show you the bathroom. It's about a half-hour ride from the Liberia airport here. There's a bunch of traffic going on. I'm not really sure why, but we're at a complete standstill for probably 15, 20 minutes or so. But it still took about 30-ish minutes or so to get here. We have dual sinks over here. There is your hair dryer here. And then your standard toiletries. There's hair comb, shower cap, vanity kit, sanitary bag, and cotton swabs. No toothbrush, but you may have to, if you ask, I'm sure they can bring that to you. And then over here, we have a beautiful double rainfall shower head. And the door here can be closed if you want privacy. It doesn't look like anybody can actually look in here, though, so I think it's okay to showering and out in the open. And then over here, we have a brand called, looks like Sodash, botanical shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Not heard of this brand before, but they don't offer the Aesop products like we've seen in some of the other Waldorf Astoria properties. But it is 2 shower heads, so definitely luxurious. So you can shower with your loved one, or you can get all the rain on yourself. And over here, we have some closet space, bunch of hangers, store your luggage. Over here is actually your toilet, also super stylish looking. And your safe, some more drawers. These are some, looks like beach bags, small little beach bags. And there's some more. Oh, actually, I think it's laundry bags, but you can use it for beach bags too, I suppose. And then your price list here for the laundry. It's typical prices, but if you need to do laundry, they've got you covered. And over here, you got more drawer space. And then there are some flip-flops here too. These aren't personalized, unfortunately. I don't know if they will be in the future. Maybe they have not arrived yet since it's a new hotel, but they do have traction bottoms to it, and they're cotton. And then over here, we got some more closet space, and that is the room. So I hope you enjoyed the tour, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.